The Crestron Home app features quick actions and room services. Let's look at the difference between them. Looking at your home page, you'll see a row of tiles under Quick Actions. Quick Actions are like shortcuts. They give you the ability to easily execute a scene or a combination of different commands with one tap. Quick Actions are the things you do or use most often, so they're conveniently grouped together on your home page for easy access. Your Quick Actions can be things that you want to happen across the home, such as turning heating or cooling on or off, or playing music or Apple TV. They can also be things that you want to happen only in a specific room. Let's have a look at Quick Actions and Room Services in Rooms. Tap the Rooms button and then Dining Room. On a room page, in addition to your Quick Actions, you'll see Room Services. These enable you to finally control what's happening in a room. For example, here in the dining room, room services are set up for lights, shades, thermostat, and audio. Maybe you want to dim the lights or lower the window shades. Each room can have its own quick actions and room services. For example, in the guest department, we have only one quick action, which enables guests to enter the room and easily navigate to and watch Apple TV. Also, all of the handy room services are available. In the guest room, we see there are currently no quick actions set up. Everything can be controlled using the handy room services. So as you've seen, you can use quick actions and room services to make your life easier home-wide and in every room. To make the most of your Crestron smart home, be sure to watch the rest of the Crestron Home app video series.